If you are tired of a dead engine or weak electronics, these power solutions will keep you moving. First up, we have the XS Power XP50 from the XP series, which is a specialized 12V AGM supplemental battery. This unit solves the problem of voltage drops in vehicles with high demand accessories by offering 750 amps of cranking power. Its absorbed glass mat technology means the electrolyte is suspended in fiberglass, making it completely spill-proof and vibration resistant. Because it is valve regulated and sealed, you can actually mount this battery in almost any position without worrying about leaks. It features an ultra-low internal resistance that allows for rapid power discharge when your system needs it most. This is the perfect choice for car audio enthusiasts who need a secondary power source to keep their amplifiers running smoothly during heavy bass hits. Next, at number 2 is the Interstate Batteries M124R, a group size 124R battery designed for those who value dependable starting power. This conventional flooded battery is a lifesaver for daily drivers, delivering 700 cold cranking amps to ensure your car starts even on those freezing winter mornings. With 120 minutes of reserve capacity, it provides plenty of leeway if your alternator is struggling or if you accidentally leave a light on. This model fits over 150 different vehicle makes and models, making it a highly versatile replacement option for cars and SUVs. It is specifically engineered for value-minded customers who want a reliable, high-quality product without unnecessary frills. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your family SUV will fire up every single time you turn the key. Now for number 3, we are looking at the heavy-duty XS Power D3400 from the XS series. This high-output 12V AGM battery is designed to handle massive electrical loads with its impressive 3,300 amp peak discharge. It features 65 amp hours and a 1000 CA rating, ensuring that even the most demanding aftermarket electronics stay powered up. Like other top-tier AGM batteries, it is vibration resistant and sealed, allowing for flexible installation in various orientations. The ultra-low internal resistance is a key highlight, providing instant energy for high-performance applications. This is the ideal upgrade for anyone running a massive winch on a truck or a high-wattage competition sound system. You can mount it under the hood or in the trunk and trust it to perform under pressure. Coming in at number 4, the XS Power PS1200EL is a 2600 amp power cell, specifically built for car audio systems up to 3000 watts. This battery utilizes leading-edge lead tin AGM technology, which helps it resist the high heat and frequent charging cycles common in performance vehicles. One of its best features is the patent-pending I-bar integration, which gives you multiple terminal mounting options for a custom fit. Its ultra-thin lead plate design maximizes surface area, allowing for the highest instantaneous discharges available on the market. Because it is non-spillable, you can safely install it inside the passenger compartment if your custom build requires it. This is a must-have for the serious audiophile who wants to eliminate headlight dimming and ensure their sound system hits its full potential. Moving on to number 5, we have the Yonhan 10 amp smart battery charger and maintainer. This device is a total game changer for anyone who owns multiple vehicles or seasonal equipment that sits for long periods. It functions as a fully automatic charger for both 12V and 24V systems, featuring temperature compensation to ensure an accurate charge in both summer and winter. The built-in desulfator helps repair old or tired batteries by removing lead sulfate crystals, potentially saving you from having to buy a new battery. It is an all-in-one tool that acts as a charger, maintainer, and trickle charger to keep your battery healthy year-round. If you have a classic car in the garage or a boat that only comes out in the summer, this smart charger is your best friend. At number 6, we shift focus to the Energizer A23 alkaline batteries, which come in a convenient 2-pack. While these aren't for starting your engine, they are essential for the 12V electronic gadgets that get you into your car every day. These miniature specialty batteries provide long-lasting, reliable power for keyless entry remotes, garage door openers, and even home security systems. They are designed with zero mercury, making them a more environmentally friendly choice for your small electronics. Having a spare set of these in your glove box ensures you are never locked out of your vehicle due to a dead key fob. They are the perfect high quality solution for maintaining the small but vital links in your daily automotive routine. Next, at number 7 is the Interstate Batteries Group 75 replacement, another outrageously dependable option from their M series. This battery delivers 550 cold cranking amps and is a direct fit for a staggering 1,600 different year, make, and model combinations. It offers 80 minutes of reserve capacity, which is excellent for standard trucks, minivans, and SUVs that require consistent performance. As a conventional flooded battery, it is built for the value-conscious driver who needs a reliable start every morning without a premium price tag. The design allows for 25-30 cycles at an 80% depth of discharge, ensuring longevity for standard commuting. It is a straightforward, high-quality replacement that gets your vehicle back on the road with minimal fuss. Coming in at number 8, the Interstate MT59 is a Group 59 battery specifically engineered for hot to moderate climates. If you live in a region where summer heat kills batteries quickly, this model is for you because of its high electrolyte to lead ratio. It provides 590 cold cranking amps and 100 minutes of reserve capacity, striking a great balance between power and endurance. This better flooded battery is designed to resist extreme temperatures that typically cause internal plate degradation in standard units. It fits over 100 different vehicle models and comes with a 24-month warranty for extra peace of mind. Whether you are driving a sedan or a compact SUV, this battery is built to survive the heat and keep your engine turning over reliably. Now for number 9, the TowerTop Smart Car Battery Charger is a versatile 25 amp powerhouse for those who need professional grade maintenance. This charger is compatible with almost every 12-volt lead acid battery type, including AGM, GEL, and Deep Cycle. It features a unique 100A engine start mode that can boost a dead battery enough to start your car in just 100 seconds. The specialized winter mode increases the charging voltage slightly to ensure a thorough charge when the mercury drops. It also includes an auto desulfator and battery repair function to bring neglected batteries back to life. This is the ultimate tool for a home mechanic or anyone living in extreme climates who needs a reliable way to jumpstart and maintain their vehicle's health. And finally, number 10 is the Craftsman 12A car battery charger and maintainer, a true 4-in-1 solution. This device doesn't just charge, it also maintains, tests, and reconditions your batteries using an advanced desulfation mode. It offers multiple charging speeds, including a 12 amp fast charge and a 3 amp maintainer mode for both 6V and 12V batteries. It is incredibly versatile, working with gas, diesel, and even lithium LiFePO4 battery types commonly found in modern power sports. The smart trickle charge technology ensures that you can leave it connected for months without the risk of overcharging. Whether you are maintaining a motorcycle, a boat, or a heavy-duty truck, this Craftsman unit provides the professional level care your battery needs to last for years. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all the batteries and chargers featured today. If this guide helped you pick the right power source for your ride, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Comment below and let me know which battery you decided to go with, or tell me what product you want to see me test next. Thanks for watching and stay powered up out there.